Should you really care about what others think of you? Or is there more to it than meets the eye? When you're choosing someone to handle your home projects, like installing cabinets or renovating your kitchen, reviews matter. Let me explain why. PPI has been earning 5-star reviews for a solid decade. That's a big deal because it means their customers are happy with their work. Whether you're a longtime customer or checking them out for the first time, those reviews tell you something important. They show that PPI is reliable, does quality work, and cares about keeping customers satisfied. So, when you're deciding who to trust with your home projects, remember those reviews. With PPI, you're not just getting cabinets installed, you're getting peace of mind.